Rung Srungnai Rongni Bagui Belay Koktoma Kaham 2024 to 2025 Rung Bisini Bagui Emmanuel English Medium SB School Tipra Hapang Bai Gosimung Manjak Rung Nogo Ketal Admission Clay Manai Amchani Chukjak Chererakno Admission Clay Pena Bagui Awaijagui Tongo Taibo Sukrubui Sina Bagui Chini Kokuk number Krungdi 8787449586 Takaisa 600946345
Hello parents. Are you wondering about which school to send your child to? Don't you feel lost with so many alternatives around? Don't take chances to your child's future. Send them to school that truly cares about your child's overall development. Emmanuel English Medium School is a unique school of exposure and admiration that gives better environment, culture, literacy, enlightenment to your children. We provide you all with school stipend for class 6 to 8, 25% free for pre-primary to class 1 students, quality teachers, activity-based learning, value-based learning, art and craft, music and dance, sports and games and more. Details of the institution. Risa Social Welfare Society. Register number 6850/2015. Chethuang Hour, Hatamara, Kovai, Tripura. A registered society under the Directorate of Cooperative Society Act. 1860. Name of the school. Emmanuel English Medium SB School. Chethuang Hour, Hatamara, Kovai, Tripura. Recognized by Government of Tripura. UDIS code 160617011242. NGO Darpun. Unique IDVO/NGOTR/2024/038118. For more information contact 878-744-9586 or 609463457. Email us at emmanuelschool79@gmail.com. Your children's is our priority. Thank you and visit soon.